I'm Suikou Miura. I'm a Japanese choreographer and hold choreography class events while traveling. Foreigners who have come to Japan and are also active overseas, please support my activities. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Japanese Choreography in English by Suikou Miura. I'm going to make a video that you can run in 3 minutes. I'll write the Chinese character beautiful. In this video, I will talk about the angle of the horizontal lines going up to the right. Just look the horizontal lines. The top horizontal lines has a strong right up and gradually weaks the right up angle. The horizontal lines at the bottom shouldn't be lowered to the right. Did you understand? Let's take a look again. Just look at the horizontal lines. The top horizontal lines has a strong right up and the gradually weaks the right up angle. The horizontal lines at the bottom shouldn't be lowered to the right. This is common to all Chinese characters. Next, Japanese. こんにちは、三浦水耕です。旅する書道家として書道教室イベントを日本や海外で開催しています。応援よろしくお願いします。今回の動画は横線の右上がりの角度についてです。美しいという字で見ていきましょう。横線だけ見てください。一番上の横線は強い右上がりですが、だんだんと右上がりの角度を弱めていきます。一番下の横線は右下がりにはならないでくださいね。このことはすべての漢字に共通していますよ。意識して書いてみてください。Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and good morning if you like my video. See you soon. Bye.